Hey guys, Booglebub back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing 3 different polybag sets. Number 30383, number 30384, and number 30461. AKA the Anakin's Pod Racer, the Snow Speeder, both 20th anniversaries, and the Naboo Starfighter. Which is not 20th anniversary set. Anyways, looks like they're all based off of the original 1999 sets. It does not have very much playability, I guess you'd say. You swoosh it around. There's no like play features or anything. It's kind of weak hold right here. So to hold this together is basically this one piece goes into there, and this piece holds on to this piece that goes down, holds onto it. That way it doesn't go all crazy. So this pod racer is pretty cool. Not my favorite, but is pretty neat if you want a miniature Lego pod racer. Now this is pod racing. Yes, I just did that. Next, I think I'm going to go for the Snow Speeder. It has the main guns on the side. Has these little things. Has the little tow cable back here. You can see that. The back window and the front window. And it's a pretty neat little build. I like it. It has all the things of I think that's based off the original set, as well as all these other builds. Looks like they're based off the original set. So you can pose this in different places. Don't know why you'd want to, but you can. So not much playability, or say play features, but you can like swoosh it around. It's very swooshable. So you go crash underneath the AT-AT and it can step on your not pod racer, Snow Speeder. Anyways, it's pretty neat. It's a good representation of it. This is a little vent thing in the back, two little exhaust things. Anyways, moving on to the Naboo Starfighter. This is one of my favorites, along with the Snow Speeder. It has these little like things on the side. Those are pretty cool. It's all smooth. It reminds me kind of a banana. I don't know if anybody else has ever thought that. But yeah, it does kind of remind me a little bit of a banana with the blade squashed into it. Yeah, it looks basically just like a banana. I think it's supposed to be R2-D2 right here. The main features of it doesn't have any play features, but it does have a lot of swooshability. Spin around by this. It's very swooshable. So, you know. So now you can accidentally turn on your Naboo starfighter and shoot a bunch of droids and then fly out of there like you're freaking crazy Anakin Skywalker. And you can have your pod racer attack it. And your snow speeder. And Boba Fett. Boba Fett wins. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.